Hi everyone, this is Ranjita Parthasarathi. Today I'm going to show you all how to prepare Christmas plum cake without egg and without rum. So let us see the ingredients that is required. We require 1 cup of orange juice, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 2 pinch of white pepper powder, 2 pinch of nutmeg powder, powdered green cardamom 2 numbers, powdered cloves 2 numbers, powdered cinnamon stick half inch, dates 5 to 6 numbers, raisins 3 tablespoon, fig 2 numbers, tutti frutti quarter cup, then mixed dry fruits. Here I have taken cashew nut, badam, kismis that is raisins, and walnut. Here I have taken half cup of mixed dry fruits, then quarter cup of melted butter, then 1.5 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and half teaspoon of mixed fruit essence. If you don't have mixed fruit essence also, it's okay, you can use vanilla essence. Similarly, here wheat flour I have taken 1.5 cup. You can also use maida and rice flour also. Here dry fruits, you can include even other dry fruits also. So first let us see how to prepare. The measuring cup for this is have taken in this cup. So here let us start preparing. Here to a pan you will have to take fresh orange juice, that is 1 cup of fresh orange juice. You can use even other juice also according to your choice. Here I have taken fresh orange juice. Then add powdered sugar, dry ginger powder, white pepper powder, nutmeg powder, powdered green cardamom, powdered cloves, powdered cinnamon stick, dates, raisins, fig, tutti frutti, and mix all these well. Okay, then later after mixing it well, we'll be preparing the sugar caramel. I'll tell you how to prepare the sugar caramel. First and foremost, take a pan. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and keep it in a low flame. Stir in between till the color completely turns into brown color. Later, once the color turns into brown and little thick in consistency, only little thick in consistency, not more, switch off the flame. Then add slowly 3 tablespoons of water to it. Then mix well and remove it from the pan and transfer it to a bowl. And after it becomes little chill, that is lukewarm, you can add that sugar caramel to this orange mixture. Now after mixing it to this orange mixture, mix it well, and later on soak it overnight. Soak this mixture overnight, or you can also soak 4 to 5 hours prior preparing the cake. I have already soaked it overnight, and this is how it comes out. Now later on, after soaking overnight, you can add the rest of the other ingredients to this. I'll be showing you now. See how it looks. I had soaked it overnight. Now to this I'll be adding wheat flour. Sieve the wheat flour and keep it ready so that any lumps that is found, it will get removed. I have sieved and I've kept it ready here. I'll be using wheat flour. Add this wheat flour to this orange mixture. Then add baking powder. Then mixed dry fruits. Now then this essence, mixed fruit essence. You can even use vanilla essence if you don't have mixed fruit essence. Now mix this well. Now I have mixed it well. See, now to this I'll be adding the melted butter. Then I'll mix it well. Here, now after adding this melted butter, I have mixed it well. Here you can also use cherry also. I have used even cherry. Here cherry, dates, fig, all these has to be chopped into pieces. I have chopped and have also added in this. When I have added cherry here, you can add even red cherry or green cherry. Here I have used red cherry. You can use even green cherry also according to your preference. Now to this I will be adding 2 tablespoons of milk. I am adding milk mainly to maintain the consistency. Yes, I have mixed well. Now finally I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Here you can also use white vinegar. If you want, you can use even white vinegar instead of lemon juice. I am not using vinegar here. I have used only lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Now I'll mix it well and I'll be transferring it to the cake tin, greased cake tin. Now my cake batter is ready. You can see the consistency. This is the consistency that is required. Now I'll be transferring this to the cake tin, greased cake tin. This is my cake tin. Here I have used even the butter paper. Here I have kept the butter paper. I have also greased it. To this greased tin, I'll be adding the cake batter that I have prepared now. Here I have transferred the cake batter to this greased cake tin and I have patted well. Now I'll be garnishing this with tutti frutti and mixed dry fruits. You can see here I have garnished with tutti frutti and different dry fruits, mixed dry fruits here. Now I'll be transferring this, I'll be placing this inside the cooker. I had already kept for preheat I'll let you know now how I have done it. So now I have placed the cake tin on the top of the plate. Now I'm allowed to bake. So it will take nearly 30 to 40 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we will check once whether it is baked or not. Now it is 30 minutes. So let us check whether it has got cooked or not, that is, it has got baked or not. See, it is there. It is getting sticked. It is sticking. So we'll bake for another 5-10 minutes. Yes. Now let us see whether it is baked or not. Now it is 40 minutes. Let's check whether it's baked or not. See, nothing is there. See, it is not sticking. See, it is not sticking. So the cake has got baked. So now let us switch off the flame, and after 2-3 minutes we will transfer it on a greased plate. We'll allow it to cool first because the cake would be hot. We'll allow it to cool first. Later on we'll be transferring it to the greased plate. Already I've greased a plate and I've kept ready here. So after once the cake gets cooled, I'll remove it from that greased tray and I will transfer it to this greased tray. Now I'll be switching off the flame. I've switched off the stove. Now let us wait for 2-3 minutes, then I'll remove it from the cooker. I have removed it from the cooker. Once it becomes cool, I'll be transferring this cake to the greased plate that I've already kept here ready. Yes, now my Christmas plum cake is ready. If you all like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye for now. I shall meet you all up in the next video. Bye.